Namassarvebhyah. Swagatam. Good afternoon, everybody. Heartily welcome to today's event. Please join us this afternoon for an important event in the learning of Sanskrit in Canada and throughout North America, hopefully. You are all joined, and we thank you for your time for the launch of Sanskritam on Wheels and Little Guru app from ICCR. We really appreciate your time and presence in here. As you know, we are all gathered at Vishnu Mandir, a historic and an important landmark in GTA and likely in Canada as well. So again, thank you very much for your time. We'd like to begin this afternoon with an invocation and prarthana from Siri and Sake.
Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmahe Dorviyukta Chaturbihi Spatikamanimai Makshamalam Dadana Hastailekena Padmam Stitamapi Chashukam Pustakam Chaparena Bhasa Kundendu Shankar Spatikamani Nibha Bhasamana Samana Same Vagdevateyam Nivasatu Vadane Sarvada Suprasanna Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Gagana Sadusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vidyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanatham Vagartha Viva Samprakto Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagataha Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Namaste. Mama Nama Siri. Aham Mississauga Nagare Vasami. Namaste. Mama Nama Saketaha. Aham Mississauga Nagare Vasami. Idanim avam ekam geetam gayavaha. Santatam pahimam Sangita Shyamale Sarvadhare Janani Sarvadhare Chintitartha Prade Chitrupini Shive Shri Guru Guha Sevite Shiva Moha Kare Santatam Pahimam Sangita Shyamale Sarvadhare Janani Sarvadhare Dhanyavadah.
Uttamam. Sarve atra vayam Samskrita Bharati Pakshatah Arambham Karishyamanaha Sanskritam on Wheels iti Karyakramasya Tatha cha Indian Council of Cultural Relations Pakshatah Arambham Karishyamanaha Little Guru app Arambha Kale Vayam Atra Smaha. Welcome everyone again for the launch of Sanskritam on Wheels as well as Little Guru app. Sanskritam on Wheels is a very innovative and dashing project from Samskrita Bharati, which will literally take Sanskrit studies, Sanskrit Adhyanam to every door. Hopefully throughout Canada, if not, we are attempting to start with GTA. Similarly, a gamified app, Little Guru from ICCR, will really revolutionize as Sanskritam on Wheels would do the Sanskritam studies in GTA and throughout Canada. So we're really delighted and excited for the launch of those two. I would now request a virtual presentation about Little Guru app.
Namaskaraha. Mam Nam Little Guru. I spoke in Sanskrit, but I'm sure it wasn't too hard to understand. The Sanskrit language is part of a rich Indian culture, a language that is 5,000 years old. Ever thought of learning Sanskrit but didn't do so as learning a new language would be quite cumbersome and boring considering traditional methods of learning? Forget about these books here. You don't have to read them to learn Sanskrit. Well, I am here to replace the usual language learning style with one that is more fun and easier. Taking the edutainment route via gamification, learning the Sanskrit language is now engaging and motivating. It not only helps develop language skills faster, but also boosts your retention ability. Every milestone you reach awaits rewards for you. Enjoy and enhance your learning experience by interacting with the Sanskrit community across the globe. Get a customized learning path, and I'll guide you across various levels. How is all of this possible? The world's first gamified Sanskrit learning app is ready for you. Download and subscribe to the Little Guru app today.
Dhanyavadaha. As you just saw, a gamified version of gamified app for learning Sanskritam, Little Guru. Idanim aham harshmahodayam ahvayami Sanskritam on Wheels krute kinchit saha vadati.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् सर्वेभ्यो नमः मम नाम हर्षः. For those who do not understand Sanskrit, I introduce myself as Happy Harsh, because if I do not translate, for a non-Sanskrit person my name becomes Harsh. And that's exactly what Harsh means in Sanskritam. Luckily, I'm in front of Sanskrit Janaha, so I can safely say, Mama Nama Harshaha. And we just saw, there are two young kids who showed us how Sanskritam is already being taught, studied, learned, spoken in GTA already. Thankfully, because of efforts of Sanskrit Bharati volunteers, and so many supporters all around. Sanskritam has already come in school boards since 2016. And as we speak, there are 100 plus kids in the month of July, every day spending their 1, 2 or more hours learning Sanskritam across GTA and across Canada as well. And that is the reason we could not get more kids here, because they have classes they might otherwise miss. But what has been done so far, yes, it is encouraging, but probably not enough. And to make sure Sanskritam reaches to students who are not going to school board, who are unable to go to a nearby location, now we have Sanskritam on Wheels. Dhanyavadaha to all the supporters. There has been tremendous support from consulate team since the moment we talked about this dream. This is a swapnaha seen by Sanskrit Bharati volunteers for more than years now. But today, it is no more a dream. And thanks to all those who have supported. Subha avsaraha asti, Subha sthanam asti, Vishnu mandir sthanam asti. Shubha dinam bhavishyati shigram, Guru Purnima dinam api bhavishyati. Subha asad masa prachalati. Shubha balakanam श्लोक गानेन श्लोक श्रवणेन श्लोकेन वयम आरब्धवन्तः. So this is definitely going to each and every door in not only GTA, very soon to even Canada and all over. Wherever there is one Sanskrit person, we want hundreds and thousands and more. Pathayama Sanskritam Jagati Sarva Manavan. That is what is the vision of Sanskrit Bharati, and with Sanskritam on Wheels, we will get to that closer, sooner, and we seek Ashirvadam from all the supporters, all the elders, all the Gurujanaha who are here with us or somewhere else and all over, and we will see their messages and support coming on even video. Dhanyavadaha. Jayatu Sanskritam. I would request everyone to raise their hand once and say Jayatu Sanskritam. Dhanyavadaha. Vande Samskrita Mataram.
Dhanyavada Harsh Mahoday. Bahu samyak uktam. As you can see, we have the most innovative approach, taking the very traditional method to the door, to every doorstep, as well as new technology using the apps. So combined, you cannot really run away, don't have any more excuses for not learning Sanskrit. So we're going to come and get you. Astu. Idanim aham Dr. Dubey Mahabhagam Ahvayami Kinchit Sambodhaitum. As you all know, Dr. Dubey, the founder of Vishnu Mandir, very historic and culturally significant place for all of us in GTA. Dr. Dubey Mahoday.
Mama Nama Budhendra Dubey. Consul General, Laj, ladies and gentlemen, it is my firm support for this launching, and I would like to pledge to the Consul General that in whatever way Vishnu Mandir can help in this project, and Harsh, that we would like to see Sanskrit language flourish. More than anything else, what I would like to see is that we should make representation to the Ministry of Education to see whether Sanskrit could be taught in a public school, where this has been done in England, and it's St. James School in England, as we all know, and its students there will not give it up to go anywhere else. This language is not 5,000 years old, it's much more than 5,000 years old, and this language is Samskrita, pure language. It's a pure language. It has no ambiguity about it, and that's the beauty of Sanskrit. And this is why it was chosen as a language for the computer, because Philadelphia can be spelled as PH, or it can be spelled as FI, but Sanskrit is pure. And because of this purity, and because of our heritage, and because of our culture, I would like to see that Vishnu Mandir becomes a center for the rolling out of the Sanskrit language, if Harsh will agree. And we would like that Sanskrit be taught here in many ways and get children involved. I would like to get involved myself. I would like to learn this language in a much more proficient manner. And I would like to see that all the children and adults also learn this language. So I am in full support of this. And I would like that this language be taught all over Canada, not only Canada, but also America, so people can know the heritage that we have come from. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavadaha, Dr. Dubey Mahoday. We sincerely, greatly appreciate all your support in helping us launch Sanskritam on Wheels and Little Guru at Vishnu Sanidhyam today. And we also appreciate all your work at the Canadian Museum for Indian Civilization and the Vishnu Mandir. Dhanyavadaha. Idanim aham Apurva Mahodayam Ahvayami. Apurvaji. Request Consul General Apurvaji to say a few words for us.
Namaskar. I'm really delighted to be here today for the launch of Sanskrit on Wheels, the mobile library, and also the gamified version of Little Guru app. I would begin by thanking Dr. Dubey for hosting us here today, despite a very short notice that we gave to him, and Mr. Laj Parashar for your presence here. Vishnu Mandir has been doing wonderful work for the promotion of Indian culture, be it the Peace Park, the Peace Wall, the temple, the tallest statue of Hanumanji in North America. It is a complete guide to Indian culture in Greater Toronto area. And I'm also looking forward to the new additions in this wonderful place, the Ayurveda Center that Dr. Dubey has been talking about, the digital museum, the tall statues of Radha Krishnan, which Lajji is getting from India, the tall statue of Lord Shiva. It's becoming a epicenter of Indian culture here, and I'm so proud to be associated with Vishnu Mandir here. And Dr. Dubey's passion and energy is contagious. As today he's actually offered to make this Vishnu temple as a great center of Sanskrit learning, and we deeply appreciate your support. I would also like to applaud Sanskrit Bharati for all their efforts in promoting Sanskrit in Canada. Sanskrit Bharati and Mr. Harsh Thakkar, we have been in touch with the consulate for almost a year, and when he initially spoke of the idea, we got really excited, and we tried hard to support in any which way it's possible for us. So my congratulations to Mr. Thakkar and the whole team of Sanskrit Bharati for putting together such wonderful initiative. And when I spoke to President ICCR about this initiative, you'll see his video, but he was also very excited about this whole idea of taking the library to the children, to the people who actually need it. It will definitely help the accessibility of Sanskrit book for learners around GTA. So I really look forward for more such initiatives along with you. And I think there is no other way of learning any language than by having fun with it. And Little Guru does just that. It's an app developed by ICCR and SportWiz. It is an online educator of language where Sanskrit is taught from basic to advanced level. You have seen the video. And it uses the latest AI technologies and classical designs, making Sanskrit learning super simple and super fun. So on this occasion, I would also like to announce a competition for the Little Guru app. We would like to give away 10 yearly free subscription to the winners who will send in short videos of introducing themselves in spoken Sanskrit, along with a line on how they will benefit from the Little Guru app. And we are again collaborating with Sanskrit Bharati Canada in this initiative, and we look forward for more and more entries on this competition as well. As Dr. Dubey told you already, Sanskrit is really an invaluable treasure of India. It is a language which made India a repository of knowledge for many years. All of the ancient Indian literary works are in Sanskrit, and it is also the language used by our scientists in ancient times. Thus, when you learn Sanskrit, it opens doors for discovering the rich Indian cultural and heritage. Sanskrit is one of the most structured language. I have been told that a lot of computer science students in University of Toronto have been opting Sanskrit in their Sanskrit language course, and mainly because of its strict grammatical rules. The Sanskrit aligns well with the goal of computer programmers, as mentioned by Dr. Dubey. Both these initiatives that we are launching today will not only go a long way in popularizing Sanskrit in Canada, but also most importantly, encourage the young generation of Indian community to stay connected to their rich Indian culture. I was really delighted at by the two young kids, the beautiful narration of mantra and the beautiful song. So congratulations to both of you. Thank you once again, Dr. Dubey, Sanskrit Bharati, for welcoming us here and for this launch. My best wishes to organizers, volunteers and enthusiasts of Sanskrit for this initiative. Thank you so much.
Dhanyavada, Apurvaji. Thank you, Apurvaji, once again for being here and really re-emphasizing why we all need Sanskritam, the importance of Sanskritam in this new world, as well as us getting connected back to our rich cultural heritage. Again, thank you very much for being here. We really and greatly appreciate all the support that we receive from Consulate General Apurvaji and her broader team, especially the cultural team. So we are really thankful for her, their help. Again, next one, we have the High Commissioner of India to Canada, Mr. Ajay Bisaria ji, and also the President of the ICCR, Vinay Sahasrabudhe ji, will be joining us virtually.
Namaskar. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I am delighted that the Indian Consulate in Toronto, in association with Sanskrit Bharati Canada, is launching a mobile Sanskrit library as well as the Little Guru app. Sanskrit is not just an invaluable treasure of India, but is also a global heritage to value. Most of the greatest literary works to come out of India were written in Sanskrit. it has been the predominant language of Hindu texts, encompassing a rich and diverse and colorful tradition. I would like to applaud our consulate in Toronto for all the efforts in consistently working towards the promotion of Sanskrit in Canada. I would also like to felicitate Sanskrit Bharti for all the efforts to preserve and promote Sanskrit here in Canada, and through their efforts, Sanskrit has now been included in the International Language Program in the school boards of 3 districts, Toronto, Peel and Halton. A mobile library will indeed help address the increasing demand for learning Sanskrit, not just for the huge Indian diaspora in Greater Toronto area, but also for all Canadians at large. Keeping with changing times is indeed important, and what better way to get more learners interested in Sanskrit than through modern technology. The Little Guru app, developed by ICCR, is an interactive platform which will help make Sanskrit learning easy and fun. My best wishes for the launch and congratulations to the entire team on this happy occasion. Namaskar.
Namaskaram. I am extremely happy to learn that the Consulate General of India, Toronto, in association with Sanskrit Bharati Canada, is launching Sanskritam on Wheels, a very innovative library project, and Little Guru, an app to facilitate learning of Sanskrit. These initiatives will go a long way in popularizing Sanskrit language in Canada, and it will also encourage younger generation of Indian community in Canada to stay connected with their rich culture and glorious heritage. I'm extremely happy that the launch is being done at the Canadian Museum of India Civilization, located at the local Vishnu Mandir, which has been an epicenter of several activities for the promotion of the understanding of Indian culture in Greater Toronto area. It is encouraging to know that Sanskrit has gained popularity in Canada and has been included in the International Language Program in the Toronto, Peel and Halton school boards. I am extremely happy to know that Sanskrit classes are organized regularly for over 200 children in this region. Sanskrit courses offered by the University of Toronto are increasingly popular, with several computer science students taking up the study of Sanskrit, which is a matter of great satisfaction. I would also like to commend the valuable efforts undertaken by Sanskrit Bharati Canada in this regard. India and Canada, friends, we all know, are natural partners. We are all working towards the betterment of the people through our democratic governance systems. And 1.6 million people of Indian origin who are staying in Canada, who have made Canada their home, they form a living bridge between the two great countries. I am extremely happy to know that such initiatives taken by the consulate in Toronto, not only this initiative but various such initiatives, have already brought the Indian community together for the popularization and, more importantly, creating an understanding of Indian culture. I am happy that Indian Council for Cultural Relations is in every possible way supporting all these initiatives. I wish the organizers, volunteers and enthusiasts who are involved in these efforts a great success. Thank you very much.
High Commissioner Ajay Bisaria ji, Dr. Vinay Sahasrabudhe ji, we are honored and thankful for your presence and few words. We really appreciate. Two things that are remaining. We all now move to the Wall of Peace, as well as later on to the parking lot for official flagging off or launching of the Sanskritam on the Wheels. Thank you again for everyone for being here. Dhanyavadaha.